Hey there, welcome back to the studio. Today we are going to take it slow. Just enjoy some quiet, creative time together. If you are new here, I'm Suji, and today's video is all about enjoying the process and letting go of the pressure. Just you, me, and the art. I have been feeling this deep need for simplicity lately, and today we wanted to share a peaceful painting session with you. No rush, no deadlines, just pure creativity. I'm starting with a soft watercolor painting, and I have decided to focus on calming colors today. Maybe something that reminds me of the quiet beauty of a peaceful day. Watercolors are always a favorite of mine because of how they flow and blend so effortlessly, almost like nature itself. And there's something so meditative about the way the pigment spreads across the paper, creating a soft gradient. It's like watching the sky at sunset. Today I'm painting something simple but meaningful, a flamingo, a little reminder to breathe and take things one step at a time. And as I work on this piece, I'm letting my mind wander a bit. It's one of those days when all I need is to be still, a focus on the moment. Sometimes we get so caught up in the destination, we forget to enjoy the journey. But art, it helps me slow down and appreciate the beauty of the little things, like the way the colors mix, the way the brush feels in my hand. It's just perfect in its own way. And here we are, a simple, serene painting that doesn't demand anything of me but my time and attention. I hope it brings a little peace into your day too. Thank you for spending this quiet time with me. If you enjoyed this slower pace, maybe even found some calm today, please feel free to stay connected. There's always more to explore together. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and remember, it's okay to go slow sometimes.